In a bustling city, where the towering skyscrapers danced with the wind, a small, unassuming cat named Whiskers found his home in the heart of it all. Whiskers was unlike any other cat. He didn't meow or chase mice. Instead, he had a peculiar talent, one that made him the unseen hero of the city. Every night, as the city slept, Whiskers would walk along the narrow alleys, his eyes glowing in the darkness. He had a unique gift, the ability to see lost items that others couldn't. One night, as he wandered through a narrow alley, he saw a small glint of gold. It was a ring, lost by a frightened woman earlier that day. Whiskers knew he had to return it. He navigated the city, using his keen senses to guide him, until he reached the woman's apartment. She was overjoyed, tears streaming down her face as she held the ring tightly. The next day, the news of the mysterious cat who returned a lost ring spread throughout the city. People began to notice Whiskers, not as a stray cat, but as a symbol of hope and kindness. Whiskers continued his nightly patrols, helping those who had lost something dear. He taught the city a valuable lesson, that sometimes, the unseen heroes are the ones who make the biggest difference. The city, once cold and unforgiving, began to change. Kindness spread like wildfire, and people started helping each other more. Whiskers, the unassuming cat, had brought about a transformation. Years passed, and Whiskers grew old. But his spirit never faded. He continued his nightly walks, reminding everyone that sometimes, the smallest of creatures can have the biggest of hearts. And so, the city continued to thrive, a testament to the power of kindness and the unseen heroes who walk among us. And in the heart of it all, a small, unassuming cat named Whiskers watched over his city, a symbol of hope and kindness.